how to connect your Vueroid dashcam and your Android phone in just 60 seconds. Okay, start by turning on the car. Now press and hold the bottom skinny button, that's the Wi-Fi button, until the Wi-Fi light comes on. Now go to your phone's Wi-Fi networks, and after about 15 seconds, you're going to find a network called Vueroid D21 4K. Click on that network and put in the default password, which is 12345678, and then click Connect. If this is your first time connecting to this camera with this phone, click Always Connect. Now launch the Vueroid app and click while using the app. Click Allow. Now you're connected. Wireless Android Auto users are going to have a hard time when they go to connect to their camera, and that's because of the wireless Android Auto network. If this happens, just turn off your Bluetooth, and that should let you connect with no problem. And if you're having an issue with your Bluetooth staying off, just go into the system settings for your stereo and turn the Android Auto off there. Just make sure when you're done getting the footage off of your camera that you come back in here and you turn the Android Auto back on. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and check us out at seattledashcams.com.